A mechanic recently handed a customer a repair estimate for over $8,000. The owner couldn't believe it. The car wasn't smoking, there were no major warning lights, and it had never broken down. In fact, it seemed perfectly normal. But hidden beneath the surface, a small problem had been growing for months. And that's what makes today's topic so important. The most expensive car repairs rarely start with a dramatic failure. They start with small warning signs that most drivers ignore every day. A strange smell, a tiny vibration, a sound that comes and goes. Something so minor that it doesn't seem worth worrying about until the repair bill arrives. Today, we're exposing 5 hidden car problems that can quietly cost you thousands. And the number one problem is responsible for destroying healthy engines every single year. One of these may already be happening to your car right now. Let's begin. Number 5. The smell. Most drivers ignore. Imagine losing an engine because of a leak you never even saw. It sounds impossible, but it happens more often than most people realize. One of the earliest signs is a sweet smell coming from the engine bay. Many drivers notice it once and forget about it. That smell can be coolant escaping from the cooling system. Modern engines rely on precise temperature control. Even a small coolant leak can slowly reduce cooling efficiency over time. The dangerous part is that many coolant leaks never leave visible puddles. The fluid can evaporate before it reaches the ground, so the car appears perfectly fine. Weeks pass, then months. Everything seems normal until a hot day, heavy traffic, or a long highway drive pushes the engine beyond its limit. Suddenly the temperature spikes. Now what could have been a minor repair turns into a blown head gasket, warped cylinder head, or even complete engine failure. And while coolant leaks can be expensive, the next problem often starts with a part most drivers have never even heard of. Number 4. The $50 part that can destroy a $7,000 engine. This tiny part is often overlooked during routine maintenance. Yet when it fails, the consequences can be surprisingly expensive. It's called the ICV valve. Most drivers never think about it. Many don't even know it exists. Its job is simple. It helps regulate pressure inside the engine and removes harmful gases created during combustion. When it becomes clogged or fails, pressure starts building inside the engine. At first, nothing seems wrong. The car still drives normally. There may be no warning lights, no major symptoms. But inside the engine, excess pressure can force oil past seals and gaskets. Small oil leaks begin appearing. Oil consumption may increase. Carbon deposits can build faster. Over time, repair costs start adding up, and all because of a small component that often costs less than a tank of fuel. But if you think that's expensive, the next problem is responsible for some of the largest repair bills in modern vehicles. Number 3. The maintenance item that can cost $6,000. Most people never miss an oil change, but many completely forget about their transmission. That's a costly mistake. Your transmission is one of the most complex and expensive systems in your vehicle. Inside are dozens of components working together thousands of times every minute, and they all depend on clean transmission fluid. Over time, heat breaks that fluid down. Contaminants build up. Protection decreases. At first, you might notice a slight hesitation during shifting, maybe a small delay when accelerating. Nothing dramatic, nothing urgent. So most drivers ignore it. Meanwhile, wear continues inside the transmission. Months later, those small symptoms become larger problems. And by the time serious shifting issues appear, major damage may already be underway. Transmission replacements can easily cost several $1,000s. But what if I told you the next problem involves a component that many manufacturers once claimed could last the life of the engine? Number 2. The hidden chain that's stretching. Right now. Most drivers never think about their timing chain, and that's exactly why this problem catches so many people by surprise. The timing chain keeps critical engine components synchronized with incredible precision. When it's working properly, you'll never notice it. But over time, poor maintenance, contaminated oil, or simple wear can cause the chain to stretch. The early warning signs are easy to dismiss. A brief rattling noise during startup, a small drop in performance, an occasional check engine light. The vehicle still runs, so drivers keep driving. Weeks become months. Months become years. Then one day, the problem reaches a critical point. In many engines, a severely stretched or failed timing chain can allow internal engine components to collide. When that happens, repair bills can become enormous. And that's why experienced mechanics never ignore startup rattles. Because what sounds harmless today can become catastrophic tomorrow. But even timing chain failure isn't the most common engine killer on this list. Because number one is something almost every driver can check in less than 30 seconds. Number 1. The 30-second check that could save you $10,000. This is the hidden problem mechanics talk about all the time, because they see the results constantly. A vehicle arrives with severe engine damage. The owner insists maintenance was done on schedule. Oil changes were completed. Records look perfect. So what happened? Nobody checked the oil level between services. Many engines naturally consume small amounts of oil. Others develop minor leaks that are easy to miss. The oil level gradually drops, week after week, month after month. Everything seems normal. No warning lights, no dramatic symptoms, no obvious signs of danger. Meanwhile, inside the engine, lubrication is decreasing. Friction increases. Heat rises, wear accelerates. Critical components begin suffering damage. And by the time symptoms become obvious, the repair bill can be staggering. The shocking part? Checking your oil level takes less than 30 seconds. 30 seconds that could potentially save thousands of dollars. Which is exactly why so many mechanics consider this one of the most expensive mistakes car owners make. The biggest repair bills usually don't come from problems you can see. They come from problems you ignore. A smell, a small leak, a strange noise, a warning sign that seems too minor to matter. So now I want to hear from you. Which hidden problem surprised you the most, and what's the most expensive repair bill you've ever faced? Let us know in the comments. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Engine Insight, because in the next video we're exposing common maintenance myths that may be secretly shortening the life of your vehicle without you even realizing it.